Sir, look at this return. It's definitely the RS-28 Sarmat.
I see it. Unbelievable.
Send the coordinates to command immediately.
Umbilical secure, hydraulics engaged. Ready for launch.
Roger that. Moving clear. Deploy the ROV.
All right, slowly now. Watch the splash. Keep tension on the line. She's up. Get the crane moving. Copy. Lowering the starboard line.
Hold it right there. A little to the left. Okay, set it down.
Look at the stress fracture right above the starboard fin.
The telemetry data confirms the impact angle we projected.
We need a closer pass with the manipulator arm.
Lower it slowly. Watch the starboard side. We need more slack on that chain. All right, lock it down now.
Keep an eye on the telemetry port. That housing looks compromised. Roger.
We'll need a full spectral analysis on this rust.
The corrosion here on the fuselage is worse than expected.
My readings confirm that. Look at the data spike at grid reference C4.
Tugboats C and D, maintain pressure on the bow. We are approaching the berth.
Roger that, Captain. Steady as she goes.
The morning evaluation confirms the guidance section is compromised. We're marking it for immediate removal.
Roger that. Let's get the replacement components ready.
All right, bring her down slowly. Watch the alignment on Sector 4.
Copy that. Descending at 1 meter per minute. Looking good. Bring it up another 5 meters and hold.
5 meters, holding steady.
Lowering 5 centimeters. How's the clearance on your side?
Clear, moving into alignment now.
Pressure stabilizing. Looks good to proceed.
The ceramic lining is completely fractured. We have extensive corrosion here. Noted.
Noted. It's definitely beyond repair.
Clear to proceed very slowly now. Watch the clearance on Connector 4.
Roger, moving into position.
Move the reflector slightly higher to the left.
Like this? Perfect. Perfect. Hold that position.
The new nozzles are verified, Captain.
Roger that. Afternoon assessment complete. All clear.